The Honor Magic 8 is shaping up to be one of the most exciting flagship smartphones of 2025, offering a more compact design without compromising on premium features. According to leaks, Honor is set to unveil the Magic 8 series in October, following the highly anticipated flagship launches from Xiaomi and OnePlus in September. But what makes the Magic 8 stand out? Unlike most recent Android flagships, which have ballooned to nearly 6.8 inches, the Honor Magic 8 is rumored to feature a 6.59-inch OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, making it smaller than its predecessor, the Magic 7, yet still delivering flagship-level performance. This could signal a new trend in smartphone design, as compact high-tech OLED displays become more feasible and cost-effective for manufacturers. Even though 6.59 inches isn't exactly small, it is a step toward more ergonomic designs compared to the oversized 6.8-inch panels that have dominated the market. But the most groundbreaking feature? Ultra-thin bezels. The Magic 8 is rumored to have incredibly minimal screen borders, measuring just 1 millimeter or less. This would give users a more immersive, edge-to-edge viewing experience, making the device look more futuristic and premium. In addition to vanilla Magic 8, Honor is also expected to release on-trend models, such as the Magic 8 Slim, offering users even more choices within the Magic 8 lineup. With smartphone manufacturers now focusing on making flagships more compact and practical, this could be a turning point for the industry, shifting away from ever-expanding displays toward more manageable, high-tech designs. But what do you think? Would you prefer a more compact flagship smartphone with ultra-slim bezels, or do you still favor larger displays? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest tech updates. Only on TechVerse.